Today we're testing the StealthWriter AI. On paper, it sounds solid and it feels advanced, at least at first. I used 3 AI-generated texts and ran them through both GPTZero and ZeroGPT before and after humanizing them. I tested the Ghost AI model at level 8 and level 10. ZeroGPT actually gave somewhat decent results. Not perfect, but lower AI scores overall. But then I checked GPT-0, and as you can see on screen, every single text was flagged as 100% AI. So even though one detector looked okay, the other didn't move at all. Next, I pushed it to level 10, the highest setting. You might expect better results, but that didn't really happen. Some texts improved slightly on ZeroGPT, others got worse. And GPT-0, still 100% AI across the board. So increasing intensity didn't really solve the main problem. Now let's talk about writing quality. At level 8, the text is readable, but there are clear issues. Strange word choices, missing words, and awkward phrasing that would need editing. At level 10, it actually gets worse. You start seeing things like repeated words, unnatural phrases, and even random expressions that don't fit the topic. Nothing completely broken, but definitely not something you'd want to publish without fixing. There's a free plan with limited usage, but if you want more, it gets expensive compared to other tools on the market. They do say they don't sell your data, which is good, but they still collect your input text, and it's not very clear how long that data is stored. So that's something to keep in mind. I also tested another tool, Clever Ai Humanizer, and the difference was pretty clear. Detection scores dropped to almost 0 on both GPT-0 and ZeroGPT. And the text actually sounded natural, without all the awkward phrasing. No settings, no tweaking, just one click. So if your goal is to actually pass AI detection and get clean text, Clever AI Humanizer is a much more reliable option.